On October 4, 1957, the world changed. A faint, rhythmic beep emanated from space, signaling the dawn of a new era. The Soviet Union had launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. This small metallic sphere, no larger than a beach ball, sent shockwaves across the globe. For the United States, it was a stark wake-up call, a challenge to its technological supremacy. The space race, a fierce competition for dominance beyond Earth's atmosphere, had begun. It was a race fueled by Cold War tensions, national pride, and the insatiable human desire to explore the unknown. The stakes were high, the risks were great, and the rewards were immeasurable. The world watched in awe and anticipation as these two superpowers embarked on a journey that would redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. The seeds of the space race were sown in the ashes of World War II. Both the United States and the Soviet Union emerged from the conflict as superpowers, locked in an ideological battle between communism and democracy. The development of long-range ballistic missiles, capable of carrying nuclear warheads, heightened tensions. These rockets, with their ability to reach beyond Earth's atmosphere, became the foundation for space exploration.
In the United States, Wernher von Braun, a former German rocket scientist, spearheaded the development of powerful rockets.
Meanwhile, in the Soviet Union, Sergei Korolev, a brilliant engineer, led their ambitious space program.
Both nations saw space exploration as a powerful propaganda tool, a way to demonstrate their technological prowess and assert their dominance on the world stage. The launch of Sputnik solidified the Soviet Union's early lead in the space race, igniting a fierce competition that would capture the imagination of the world. The Soviet Union continued its string of early victories with the launch of Yuri Gagarin into space. On April 12, 1961, Gagarin, a young Soviet cosmonaut, became the first human to journey beyond Earth's atmosphere. His historic flight, aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft, lasted just 108 minutes, but had an immeasurable impact on the world.
Gagarin's journey captivated the world, inspiring awe and wonder. He became an international hero, a symbol of Soviet ingenuity and ambition. For the United States, Gagarin's flight was a stark reminder of the Soviet Union's lead in the space race. America was behind, and the pressure was on to catch up.
Determined to close the gap in the space race, the United States launched Project Mercury, its first human spaceflight program. The goal was clear: put an American astronaut into orbit.
Project Mercury selected 7 highly skilled pilots, known as the Mercury 7, to become America's first astronauts. These men, chosen for their courage, intelligence, and physical stamina, underwent rigorous training to prepare for the challenges of spaceflight.
On May 5, 1961, Alan Shepard became the first American in space. His suborbital flight aboard the Freedom 7 spacecraft lasted just 15 minutes, but marked a significant milestone for the United States. Shepard's flight, while not reaching orbit like Gagarin's, was a powerful symbol of American resolve. The United States was in the space race to stay.
Section 5. Giant leaps for mankind. The moon race. President John F. Kennedy, inspired by the challenges of the space race, set a bold goal for the United States: land a man on the moon before the end of the decade.
This ambitious goal, announced in 1961, galvanized the nation and shifted the focus of the space race. The race to the moon was on.
To achieve this audacious goal, the United States launched Project Gemini, a program designed to develop the skills and technologies needed for a lunar mission. Gemini astronauts practiced spacewalks, rendezvous maneuvers, and long-duration spaceflight, essential skills for a journey to the moon. Meanwhile, engineers and scientists worked tirelessly to develop the powerful Saturn V rocket and the sophisticated Apollo spacecraft, the vehicles that would carry astronauts to the moon. Section 6. Tragedy and Triumph: The Human Cost. The space race was not without its risks and sacrifices. Both the United States and the Soviet Union experienced tragic setbacks, reminders of the inherent dangers of space exploration.
In 1967, the Apollo 1 crew, Gus Grissom, Ed White, and Roger Chaffee, perished in a fire during a launch rehearsal. This tragedy shook the American space program to its core, leading to a thorough review and redesign of the Apollo spacecraft.
Despite the risks, the allure of space exploration continued to inspire. Both nations persevered, driven by the pursuit of knowledge, national pride, and the desire to push the boundaries of human achievement. The sacrifices made during the space race served as a stark reminder of the courage and dedication of the men and women who dared to venture into the unknown. Section 7. Beyond the Moon, Robotic Explorers. While the human drama of the space race unfolded, both nations recognized the value of robotic explorers. The Soviet Union achieved early success with its Luna program, landing the first spacecraft on the Moon in 1959 and returning the first images of the lunar far side in 1961. The United States followed suit with its Ranger and Surveyor programs, which provided valuable data about the lunar surface in preparation for the Apollo landings. Robotic missions extended beyond the Moon, venturing to other planets in our solar system. The Soviet Union sent probes to Venus and Mars, while the United States focused on Mars with its Mariner and Viking programs. These robotic explorers provided invaluable scientific data, expanding our understanding of the planets and their moons. They paved the way for future missions, demonstrating the enduring power of robotic exploration in unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. Section 8. The Space Race Legacy. Technological Innovation. The space race had a profound impact on technological innovation, leading to advancements in rocketry, materials science, computers, and communications. The need to develop powerful rockets capable of reaching orbit and beyond spurred advancements in propulsion systems, fuel efficiency, and structural design.
New materials, such as lightweight alloys and heat-resistant ceramics, were developed to withstand the extreme conditions of spaceflight. The demands of space exploration also led to significant advancements in computer technology. Early computers, used for mission control and spacecraft guidance, were large and cumbersome. The need for smaller, more powerful computers led to the development of integrated circuits and microprocessors, technologies that would revolutionize the world of computing.
The space race also spurred advancements in communications technology, as nations sought ways to track spacecraft and communicate with astronauts in space. These advancements led to the development of satellite communication systems, which have become an integral part of our modern world. Section 9. Cultural Impact. From Sputnik to Star Wars. The space race had a profound cultural impact, capturing the imagination of the world and inspiring generations.
The launch of Sputnik sparked a wave of interest in science and technology, leading to increased funding for education and research. Science fiction, once relegated to the fringes of popular culture, gained mainstream acceptance as books, movies, and television shows explored the possibilities of space travel and alien encounters.
The rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union fueled a sense of national pride and inspired countless young people to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The iconic images of astronauts walking on the Moon, broadcast around the world, became enduring symbols of human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of exploration. The space race, with its Cold War backdrop and its futuristic aspirations, left an undeniable mark on popular culture, shaping our perceptions of space and our place in the cosmos. Section 10. A new era of cooperation and competition. The space race, while fueled by Cold War rivalry, also fostered a spirit of international cooperation.
In 1975, the United States and the Soviet Union participated in the Apollo-Soyuz test project, a joint mission that symbolized a thaw in relations between the two superpowers. This historic mission paved the way for future collaborations in space.
Today, the International Space Station stands as a testament to international cooperation in space exploration. Astronauts from around the world live and work together on the ISS, conducting scientific research and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. While the space race may be over, the spirit of exploration and discovery lives on. New players, including China, India, and private companies, have entered the arena, ushering in a new era of competition and collaboration in space. As we look to the future, the legacy of the space race continues to inspire us to reach for the stars, to explore the unknown, and to unlock the secrets of the universe.